Hey, it's Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. Well, not your regular video, it's going to be a customer service call video. So I've had XM radio since before it was Sirius-XM radio, and it was just XM, and there was Sirius, and XM was more for the GM cars, and Sirius, I think, had Ford and Chrysler, or whatever it might have been, way back when they first started, and I've had XM since probably within like a year or two of them coming out, and it was very reasonable for the most part price-wise. But over the years, just like cable TV, it's gone up a lot. And we recently started using, in the older vehicles that we have, Bluetooth adapters, that real cheap Chinese Bluetooth adapters that actually work really well. And we listen to music that way in the vehicles. So one of our newer cars has a full Sirius-XM package in it, but one of the old ones with the 03 Suburban, the gray one that the big dummy uses, that one's got a monthly Sirius-XM account, which it only gets the XM end of it because it's an older GM vehicle, so it's limited in channels and such. So I went on the computer over here just to get a grip on what we're paying, and it's like $20 a month or maybe even more. Let's see, it's $21.84 a month, and that's kind of high for a monthly rate for that vehicle that, you know, we're not using it so much anymore because of those Bluetooth adapters. So I wanted to cancel. So I went online, logged into my account, and you can't just, they give you a prompt to cancel, but you can't just cancel. You have to chat with them about canceling. They actually, when you click on it, you can click on modify. Where is this? Click on modify. Where is that? I had a whole modify thing here. Oh, here it is. Manage. So you got your plan, and you could click on manage and then modify and then click cancel. And it says, thinking of leaving, choose an option below. And it's view other great offers or chat to cancel, transfer it to another vehicle, or call us to cancel, and they give a 1-800 customer service number, but that's not their regular customer service number. It's a different one, and I wonder if that's gonna put you on hold a lot longer so that you don't cancel, because that's the cancel number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a customer service call, and I'm gonna do it calling the regular customer service number, which is closed on Saturday or Sunday. They're only open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time, and we're in the window there. It's Friday, 4:30, so we're going to be able to call. My wife is cooking in the background as usual, so excuse the cooking sounds. But that's when we do the videos, you know. So this will be a customer service call to Sirius-XM. All I want to do is cancel just one of the vehicles. Keeping one. I actually just paid the bill on one, so keeping that one, and I want to cancel the monthly that I have. The other one's an annual. I pay annually for it, so that you can get a better deal when you pay annually. So let's dig right into the 1-800 number.
Thanks for calling Sirius-XM. This call may be recorded.
Notice
for
how
quality
clear
purposes.
it is.
Para español, marque seis.
Very clear.
I see you're calling from a number that matches a Sirius-XM account. Should we use this to look up your information?
Yes.
Okay, I found your account. In a few words, please tell me why you are calling. For example, you can say, I bought a new car, question about a charge, refresh signal, or cancel my service.
Upgrade my service.
You can say, cancel my plan, transfer service to a new car, reactivate an existing account, none of those, or main menu.
Customer service.
Looks like we're quite busy today. Why not bypass the queue and text message us instead? Would you like to start a text conversation now?
No.
In order to save time when you reach an agent, please say or enter the 5-digit zip code of your Sirius-XM account. One last question. Please say or enter the house number of your billing address. For example, if your street address is 123 Main Street, just say or enter 123. Hold on, I'm transferring you now.
4:39 it is right now. But notice how clear everything has been up to this point. Crystal clear on the phone.
Please know that we're working hard to take care of all our customers' needs, and we appreciate your patience. We'll be with you as soon as we can.
Four minutes.
Thank you for calling Sirius-XM. This is Kelly. May I know your first and last name?
Robert Mora.
Okay, so thank you for that, Robert. And how can I help you today?
Hi, I have 2 subscriptions and I would like to cancel one of them.
Okay, so yes, I do understand you about it, Robert. And don't you worry, I can definitely help you with your request for the cancellation. And the first is, I will also needing to verify the account for security purposes. And may I know your complete address, including the zip code?
It is 4.
Okay, so thank you for that confirmation, Robert. And may I know also what is the reason for the cancellation today?
It's gotten much too expensive.
Okay, so yes, I do understand you about it, Robert. So by the way, is this for your suburban vehicle?
Correct. Oh, just the Suburban vehicle. I want to keep the other one.
Okay, so upon check, let me also check this suburban vehicle. Allow me a few seconds, Robert.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so and also Robert, since you're one of our valued customer and we hate to see you go, so if you want, I can also help you lower down your bill for your suburban vehicle since you're one of our valued customer.
No, I'd like to cancel the Suburban. Now, I'm still going to remain a customer because I have another account. You do see that one, right?
Yeah, so this will be for your 1500, am I correct?
Right, I'm going to keep that one. I just want to cancel the Suburban only.
Okay, so do you still have this vehicle since you wanted to cancel this, or may I know why you wanted to cancel the suburban vehicle?
I still have the vehicle. I want to cancel it because it's very expensive.
So yes, I do understand you about that, Robert. Because Robert, if you might wanted to hear this, so I can also help you give a promotion for this suburban so that you can still enjoy our Sirius-XM for this vehicle. So the good thing for this promotion, Robert, is this will not be also the same package that you have, the music and entertainment plan. So you can still access your favorite channels that you listen the most. So instead of paying the $21.84 per month for the standard rate for this music and entertainment plan, so I have here a promotion for you. So the good thing is this you will be having a 66% savings for this promotion, and the rate for this promotion is only for $5.99 plus fees and taxes. So that became a total charge of $7.27 per month, and that is good for 12 months promotion. So I highly recommend it.
Yeah, that's very nice of you, but I'd just like to cancel it, please.
Okay, so I do understand. And since I just wanted to save you, Robert, since you're one of our valued customers, so don't you worry. Thank you also for hearing my offers, Robert, and I will be now proceeding to the cancellation. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So for this cancellation, Robert, is I will be also sending you confirmation for this cancellation today, and the email address, Rob, is this still active?
That's correct.
Okay, so let me go ahead here and proceed be billed anymore for this vehicle, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for that confirmation. So don't you worry, Robert, because you can still call us back anytime if you wanted to reactivate this vehicle. So lastly is, for the confirmation number is, would you like to check into your email or would you like to have it now?
If you'd give it to me now, that'd be good.
Okay, so your confirmation number of this cancellation is 4 V as in Bravo, G as in Juliet, 182.
Okay, I got it. Thank you very much.
Okay, and today is set your radio ID JJ to close on August 10, 2022. Your confirmation number of this cancellation is 442. Please keep this number for your record. The confirmation of this transaction will be sent to the email address on file for your account within 5 days. So just a recap, Robert, I have now successfully canceled, or I have now successfully scheduled a cancellation on August 10. And is there anything else that I can help you for today?
No, that's it. You've been very helpful. Thank you.
Okay. And thank you also for today, Robert, and thank you also for your time and patience, and it's a pleasure assisting you. And have a great day. Keep safe.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, that wasn't too bad, right? We only waited on hold a couple of minutes because I did not choose the cancel option in the menu, and I did not call the cancel customer service number. You would have waited a lot longer. They're going to hope that you're going to hang up and not cancel, or do it another day and then procrastinate or forget about it, and before you know it, you paid another 6 billing cycles at what we'll be paying 21 and change a month. For something that, as a valued customer, they were willing to give it to me for what, $7.99 after taxes and fees? It was like $5 a month plus taxes and fees, $7.99 for the same thing. Such a valued customer I am, right? They'll never call you up when you're paying $21.84 a month and say, "Oh, you're a valued customer. We figured we'd call you and give you a break." No, you got to threaten to cancel to get a break. So if you have Sirius-XM in an older vehicle and you're not using it much and you're paying a lot of money, but you still want to keep it, you know what? Call them up and tell them you want to cancel because it's too expensive, and you can get a pretty good deal on it. $7.99 a month. I think I was paying $6.99 a month or something like that when I first got XM radio, and that was on a monthly. If you paid annually, well, quarterly was a little less, then you had semi-annual that was a little less, and then annually was the cheapest, and it worked out to like $5 a month. Now the fees are up there. There's a lot of royalty fees that got involved in this whole satellite radio thing. But I didn't want to keep it even at a cheaper rate because we're just not using it in that vehicle anymore. So it's just throwing money away. What I would note though is the phone call crystal clear all the way up to the point where the guy answers the phone. Then it's a guy that you can only understand every other word. He was fairly good with the English. Did have some kind of accent. There were some words that I was having a little trouble understanding. Kind of got the gist of what he was saying. You have to think real hard, and then you have to try to put all the background noise out of your mind. You hear people laughing and talking, and that's white noise. That's by design. Those aren't real people talking in the background. That's a recording. And that's by design. They want to make customer service a horrible experience. And because they don't want you to call. They don't want you to call and cancel. And that's absolutely by design. It's 2022. Right? The phone technology is unbelievable now. You can talk around the world on a stupid cell phone that's all beat up to another person on a stupid cell phone that's all beat up, and it's crystal clear. But yet I call customer service, who's only open, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday Eastern time, and it's staticky and there's people talking and laughing in the background. It's the same people when you call every other customer service because it's a bullshit recording. So, went well, didn't argue with anybody. I'm still smiling. I'm not stressed out. That's my customer service call. I haven't done one of these in a while, but they are fun to do. And as always, thanks for watching.